Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll create a Hangman game in Python with random module. So let us begin. So for this, we need a VSCode editor or any IDE as per your choice to run our code. And the second one is the random module. Oops, wait, it's not a random module, it's the name of the module and that is the random. Now, to install it, simply type pip install random to the version of it in your command prompt and press enter. Now let's move ahead with our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have imported the module. After it, using this print statement, we are printing Hangman game. After it, this one is the list of colors that we will be using to guess the name of the color. So these are some of the colors. Remember them: pink, blue, red, yellow, purple, white, black, brown, silver, orange, grey, and green. Now, this one is a function to choose a random color from its list. So using this choice function, we are choosing a random color. Now, after it, we are printing as the characters of the color. So, these are the total number of chances that we'll get. Yes, we'll only get 10 chances in total. So now, if the chance is greater than 0 and wrong attempt will be equal to 0 initially, so we will move ahead with each character in each guesses and we will print this underscore for each blank space. And if there will be any wrong attempt, we will increase the wrong attempt by 1. Now, if the wrong attempt will be 0, we'll print congratulations, you won the game. And at last, we will also print the correct color's name. Now, we will take the input from the user using this input function. Now, over here, we are storing the input guesses. And if the guess is not in the color, then we will simply decrease the chance by 1 and we will print oops wrong character. And after it we will print the total number of chances that are left to guess the correct character that can shoot the color. And at last, if the chances are 0 means all the attempts are over, then we will print better luck next time. So now let's play the game. Okay, so this is a game. It has total 6 characters. So what the color can be? 6 characters. Brown, yellow. Yes, yellow. Why? No, it's not yellow. Then it can be what? What else is there? Green, yellow, brown, pink, blue, purple. Yes, purple. P. Yes, it is purple. You can see over here, wherever P was there, P is written. Now, wherever U is there, U is written. Now, I'm typing R. So, it is R, P, U, P. Now, L and E. So, yes, congratulations, you won the game and the color is purple. So, in this way, you can play this interesting game. And if you want to do any changes over here, then you can simply change over here the list of the colors, or you can also take any other values like name of the cities or anything that you like. And to get this code, the link is in the description, and if you're facing any issue, then don't hesitate to write it in the comment box. And hope you will like it, so don't forget to subscribe as well. And thank you, have a nice day.